I just bought my first drone. You probably clicked on this to see how bad I wreck it. The first thing I gotta say is that it's technically my second drone, but it's my first real drone. My first one was a lock, kind of indoor drone. Great starter drone, indoor only. I tried flying it outside once, and as soon as the wind blew just a little bit, drone took off to the side, almost hit my house. Not a big deal, it was great. But now, I just bought the DJI Mini 2. So as a beginner drone pilot, very beginner, I'm gonna set this up, take it off, and we'll see if I wreck it, hopefully not, and make sure that, and see how I feel about it and see how it goes. Thanks. All right, we're all set up. I've got everything connected. Firmware was downloaded before I came out. So let's take off. I did set max height to 200 feet just to make sure it doesn't take off on me while I'm figuring it out. But the first thing I'm going to notice is it's, even in a wind here, so much more stable than that lock. Not surprising. I mean, that's an indoor drone, super light. But even with the breeze, this thing's steady. The camera feed as well, much better timed than the lock. I mean, there's a big price difference between the two, so I would hope that everything's better. But controls, no delay, high. Hope my camera girl doesn't mind being in the video from the drone. Do you mind?
Not at all.
You don't look like you're telling the truth. But it's great. I'm gonna keep flying it around, practicing, seeing what we can get used to, get figured out. And I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I wanted it for, taking on the trail with my 4Runner, to be able to get some great views out in the middle of nowhere. I really wish I had it when I went down Money Creek. Probably hear me better if I move that further away. Money Creek, there was some beautiful views up there. If you haven't seen the video, go watch it. Great views up there, and I would have loved to have been able to fly this up there and go see the waterfalls. So that's the type of things I want to do with it. Hopefully I get good enough where my wife lets me buy a more expensive one.
Don't count on it.
I barely got this one. So, I'll keep practicing. Hopefully we get better. Plan was not to do a review on this drone by any means, because you don't want me reviewing drones, because this is my first real drone. So keep watching. Thanks a bunch. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see any future videos where I might wreck it. You don't want to miss that. So thanks for watching. You have a great day, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Camera inception.